Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. Hello to my unique base. Hi to my unique people. This is Unique Skin. Today I'll be making a lavender body butter. This lavender body butter is very moisturizing and it also has lightening powders. Please do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload any video. Also, always leave a comment down below. Click the like button. Today we'll be doing a lavender body butter. Like I said, I have already sanitized my working place and my utensils with my rubbing alcohol, and these are my ingredients, and I already did a pre-measurement of my ingredients with my scale. I will go ahead and introduce my ingredients. I'll be using shea butter, 100% shea butter. I'll be using mango butter. I'll also be using grape seed oil, vitamin E oil, xanthan gum. I'll be using cetyl alcohol. I'll also be using dimenticon. I'll be using essential oil, lavender essential oil. I'll also be using my super white powder and my giga white powder. In here I already pre-measured my butters and my oil. So I have the shea butter in here, mango butter, grapeseed oil, and cetyl alcohol. What we are going to do is to melt the butters through a double boiler, and I already on my double boiler to melt the butter. So I just put this in the water for it to melt. So while we wait for the butters to melt, I have my xanthan gum here. I have my measured giga white powder and super white powder. They are already measured. I also have my essential oil and my vitamin E oil in here already measured. I also have my dimenticon in here already measured. I do not want to waste your time, that's why I did a pre-measurement of all my ingredients. So what we'll have to do is wait for our oils and butters to melt. So I'll just do a quick turn. Just do a quick turn. Okay, it's melting. Always try and melt your butters under a low heat double boiler. Do not overheat the oil, because if you overheat your oils, then you probably will lose the nutrients in your oil. So try as much as possible not to overheat your oils. As you can see, I already offed my stove because I do not want to overheat the oil. Okay, at this point I'll take this out of the fire and try turning it on its own. So as you can see, our oils and butters, the butters, it's already melted. Okay, It's already melted, as you can see. Okay, at this point, I'll be dividing the oils into two. That's why I have my second beaker here. So I just divide this into two. Okay, good. So I keep one outside. This is xantha gum. What I'm gonna do is spread this xantha gum into the first oil. You have to carefully spread it to avoid lump. Okay. Okay. And let it sit. Let it sit. So on the second divided oil, I will be dissolving my powders. This is Seppa White powder. I'll pour in my powders, Seppa White, and my Giga White powder. Okay, so I'll just dissolve my powders. So I'll just return this back to the double boiler and try to lighten up the powders. At this point, what I'll be doing is taking the other xantha gum, oil and powder, and I'll mix both together. Make sure you mix properly. Okay, good. As you can see, there's no lump. So after mixing this, what I'll be doing is getting the other powder from the double boiler. I also mix this together. Then I'll be pouring this face into this face. Okay, and I'll mix. As you can see, the whole thing is well mixed together. Okay, at this point, I'll take my temperature gauge and I will check the temperature of my oil. Okay. Okay, I have 120. 120, it's okay for you to add the other ingredients, but I would like it to cool down more. I like it to cool down more because the Dementicon does not require high heat. You have to add the Dementicon on a low heat. It shouldn't be more than 100 to 120. To be on the safe side, do 110 to 115. Okay, so I'll allow my oil to cool down a bit. Okay, I will remeasure my oil. Okay, good. Now I have 110, which is very good. I'll go ahead and add my Dimenticon and I'll mix. Okay. I'll also go ahead and add my vitamin E oil. Okay. I'll also mix properly. At this point, I'll be adding my essential oil. Okay. I'll also mix. I'm already liking the smell. This is nice. So after adding the whole ingredients at the proper time, what I'll be doing is I'll be putting this in the refrigerator. I'll put this in the fridge and I'll make it harden up. Okay, I'll put this in the fridge so that it can harden up. Okay guys, welcome back. Okay, this is how it is after I dipped it in the fridge. I mean, after putting it in the fridge to cool down. You can see how it is. It formed back to solid. So that is what you should be looking out for. All right, I'll be telling you what percentages of all my ingredients that I use, the measurement, the measurement of my ingredients. I used shea butter, 1.25 ounce, 1.06 ounces of mango butter, grapeseed oil, 0.92 ounce, cetyl alcohol, I used 0.04 ounce, my Dimenticon, I use 0.02 ounces. My Xantha gum, I use 0.01. Lavender essential oil, I used 0.02 ounce. Giga white powder is 0.11 ounce. My pepper white powder is 0.11 ounce. And my vitamin E oil is 0.02 ounces. So that's it. At this point, I'll be using my whisk to whisk the body butter. Okay. All right. So let's go. Make sure to give it a very good whisk. Okay, let's see what we have. Guys, you can see how moisturizing it is. Okay, this is a lovely moisturizing body butter. I'll try and whisk it more so that I can get it to be more fluffier. Okay. Okay. So you see how it is, guys? very nice. So this is our lavender body butter. So all you have to do is just get a container and put this into your container and use. So you guys notice we did not use any preservative for this production, so make sure you do not apply wetting hands into the container, and also do not keep it in a wetty and dampy place. So this is our lovely lavender whitening body butter. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please guys, please, I'm begging, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Always leave your comments down below and also click the like button. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you very much. I'll be signing out at Unique Skin.